Hello? Yeah, please. Yeah, tell us exactly. Describe yourselves.
Yes, we can describe ourselves. How are you, Nature?
I'm alright, and you?
I like Nature because she's funny. She likes singing and worship, and she likes joking with children.
Yes, Devotha is my friend because she likes smiling, laughing, joking, singing gospel songs. She likes even dancing music, so I like her so much.
I think at school, you are in the secondary school. So, apart from being here at the project, what's happening at the school? For example, you are staying at school.
At the school, no problem. We normally revise books. We like concentrating in our books, making research with teachers, and so many others.
What are your dreams in the future? For example, Devotha, what are your dreams in the future and why?
My dream is to become,
Please, yeah, take a smile, of course.
my dream is to become a lawyer because I want to develop my country
Yeah.
and the family.
Nature, do you see that she's capable to be a lawyer as how you see?
Yes, she's capable to be a lawyer because she likes she likes to develop her country in the future.
So then, Nature, what tell us? Ask her.
In the future, I want to become an agricultural engineer so that I can plant vegetables in order to get enough food.
So, Nature, I see you are dancing as well. Are you strong enough? Because working in agriculture in the field is you have to be strong. Are you strong enough? Tell Devotha.
Yes, I'm strong enough because I know how to plant those eggplants and to weed them.
Explain. Tell us how do you see about the project? How do you what would you say about our sponsors who are really pushing? For example, secondary school students.
So for me, I appreciate all my sponsors because they are doing very good job. They have sponsored me to go to school with clothes, medication. So I'm very excited of them.
So what about Devotha from Nachivale? Devotha. What are you telling people? For example, you are a refugee. How are you feeling? In other words.
Now I'm feeling okay because I'm educated now. I get the basic needs and the medication, health care, and parental love.
Parental love. Thank you very much.